Alright, this is the STIHL FS110R, the weed whacker I got on Facebook Marketplace, and I'm having a bit of an issue with it. I replaced the carb and it was working fine, and then all of a sudden it stopped idling. So I was playing with, you know, the high and low adjustment and the idle set screw, and then all of a sudden the pull string stopped. So let's pull this thing down. We'll get it apart. I'll see what's going on with it. Alright, so we got it down and it's here on the bench. It looks good, it's super clean. The engine on the inside, the metals are super clean. Nothing's caught up in here. Let's get this undone and see. Alright, so something is not working right. As you can see, I'm pulling it. It stops at a certain point. I'm not really sure what is going on. I'm going to spray some WD-40 in there, see if that kind of loosens anything up. Maybe it's just old and gunked up. So let's go ahead and do that, and we'll check it after. Get that in there. Still bound. Alright, look at this washer off. So here I am. This is why it's always good to have spare parts. So I have a spare 90, so we use the recoil on that. We're gonna send this one into the shop, see if they can rebuild the spring. Put it over here. We got this all on here nice, so we'll get it screwed down. We've got this here. We're gonna have to, all right, so we're gonna clean this out. We got this on here all nicely, and we'll be done. Let me button this up. Some more room. All right, good. We got a couple threads in. I always like to do that. Get a couple threads. So I was onto something, the tape that I had, and I'm really close to getting it back in there. So I put the electrical tape around when I wound it enough times with my hand, and then, you know, I got the cap back on and I fitted in and wound it the rest of the way, and then there we are. So pretty much all I got to do is just slice that, pull the tape out. We should be good to go if I get this. It goes this way onto here, and that should work. It looks like this goes up over here. Yeah, so it would fit in like this. This is still bound up. You know why? Because the string is crossed. I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh Neat. Oh, wow. Isn't that so funny? Look at that. I didn't even need to do any of that. That's crazy. Well, you live and you learn. That's the moral of the story. You live and you learn. That was a success.